Hey guys, the BNSF Stock Locos got clearance out of the siding. He had to be held by BNSF Grain Train and UP Stockton, so now he's got the green to go. Should be doing his ditch lights and headlights on bright any second here. Going to Polk today. We got BNSF 536 and 130 today. One of the Dash 8s and a GP60M. Those two horns would be an RS3L and a K3LA. Yep, he's gonna power up. Oh yeah, that's a good RCL. Thank you to the SAC crew! Alright, that's that, guys! Let's grab him. Peace out.